Hello, Mr. Rouse is here to teach you math. Good to see you all. This is Mr. Rouse teaching 10.3. Today we are dealing with parallel and perpendicular lines, okay? And this sheet, what you're seeing before you, use it to help with your homework. Because one thing, the biggest thing that I would say, even though you see what they are now, the hardest things for kids is knowing how to label these lines, being able to label them with the letters M, N, O, L, so forth. Well, let's talk about them first. We got intersecting lines. These are lines that cross at any place except if they make four right angles. So intersecting lines are any lines that cross exactly one point that form four angles. Okay, as you can see, an angle here, here, and here. The difference is they cannot be four right angles, okay? So they can cross anywhere, they just can't be four right angles. And how you would say this, you would say line HI intersects with JK and XL. And this is how you would write it. And actually on your homework, they're going to say, give me two intersecting lines at HIJK at an X point, and they have to take this part and turn it back into that. So be aware of that on the homework today. Parallel lines are two lines, as you can see right here, that never ever cross. These are lines that go on forever and ever, no matter how far they go into eternity, into the bliss, they will never cross ever. This is how you read that, which is important, okay? They'll have those two up and down lines, and they're going to show you this on the homework and say, now write it like that. And then intersecting lines, or perpendicular, sorry. I think perpendicular is such a cool word. But it is where if you look here and you look especially there in the center, they form four right angles, okay? They all come together, like here to here, they all come together at 90 degrees. And this symbol, as it says, means perpendicular, because that one throws kids off. So it's going to show you LM, N to the O, and you're supposed to write being perpendicular. So we'll give you an example here. It might say AB, and they'll have the line above it, to CD with a line above it, and it's going to say intersect, so intersect at E. So I can draw any intersecting, and I just need to label, make sure I put my arrows, because they are lines. They're not line segments. And then I just need to put 4 or 5 points on here. Put A, B, C to D with E in the middle. Okay, the other ones really quickly are, if it says G to H, and then it says I to J, and it has this, all you got to do is, there's my one, so we got G to H, whoops, and then we've got I to J. And the last one for this is going to be, they will show you F to H and J to K, and they're going to have the perpendicular, and let me do that in a different color. They're going to have the perpendicular sign that looks like that. And so I'm going to make four right angles, and then I got to put my arrows on there. Arrows, point, 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 and I'm going to point, I have the F to H, J to K. So that is this lesson. Once again, I would refer back to this sheet, this front sheet right here. It's a great sheet. So this is Mr. Rouse teaching 10.3. Join me next time as I teach you 10.4. Have a good night.